Did you know that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis? It's a common misconception held by many people, but today we're going to demolish that myth once and for all. In reality, when you crack those knuckles, what you're doing is simply releasing gas that has been trapped within the synovial fluid of your joints. It creates a popping noise, but it's harmless. Research shows that habitual knuckle cracking hasn't been linked to joint damage. So next time someone warns you, just smile and share the facts. It's a common myth that creates unnecessary worry, so go ahead, crack away, and keep those fingers flexible without fear. Understanding these myths helps us make informed choices, stay curious, and keep learning.